Hello friends, you are welcome. Today on our menu we are making some beet juice. This juice is so delicious. I really love it. It's easy to make. First of all, you're gonna get some beetroot. I got 2 of it, and then freshly diced pineapple and orange. These are really the honey pineapple, the really nice sweet ones. And then we are going to get some ginger. This is to make it fresh, to keep it fresh. And go ahead, wash your beetroot, wash it, peel it to take away the sand and all that. And then we're going to go ahead and blend it. Beetroot is really good for the gut if you're going through constipation, high blood pressure. If you want your skin to shine and glow, this is the juice for you. And this is the result. Delicious. It's so yummy. It's so delicious. It refreshes you. And everything has to be, of course, in moderation. Just take it in moderation. Just take a little bit. Relax yourself. Yep. Thank you so much, friends. If you're new, you are welcome. If you're returning, you're welcome. Smash the like button, share, subscribe, share this video, come back again. I have more and more recipes lined up. I have other videos too. You can check it out. Thank you so much, friends. I really do appreciate you. I hope you have a nice day. It's a long weekend. We are relaxing at home. Thank you. Bye.